Okay, what we need to do now is put our flashing on our garage. We're going to start with our door opening. The first thing we'll do will be our barn door flashing. So we need to take a measurement, which was 2470, peel the plastic off the flashing, cut that to size, and then we're going to screw that into our header beam. Okay, once we've cut our piece to length, taken the plastic off, what we need to do now is fit it underneath our gable sheets there. So what we will need to do is back out these hex screws. Okay, once we've backed out those screws on the gable sheets, we just tuck that flashing in underneath, and then we just refix the flashing through those existing screw holes, like so. Do the first couple down one end and then go down to the other end just to hold it in place. Okay, that's our barn door flashing completed. Now we need to do our L flashing on the door openings. Okay, now we need to cut down our L flashing. So same process as before. Take measurement, which is 2185. Cut that flashing to length, peel the plastic off, and then fit it in place. Okay, once we've got our L flashing now into position, we need to drill and rivet that onto the mullion first. Do top and bottom first. Okay, once we've locked in the rivets into that mullion, now we can screw the rest of the flashing off to the sheeting. Just use your hex head screws. Okay, that's one L flashing on now. Need to do the same with the other side. Okay, that's our L flashing completed. What we need to do now is put our barge capping on front and back. Put one end at the centre of your garage. The other one will overlap your gutter. So just make a mark on the inside edge of the gutter, and what we're going to do is cut the rest of that off. Okay, using your tin snips, just cut that to the correct size. All right, once we've cut that barge capping to size, peel your plastic off, lay it on top, and then get a screw through the wall sheeting and one through your roof. Again through the wall and the roof. Okay, that's one of our barge cappings completed. We need to do the same to the other side and then the same again on the back wall. All right, the last part of our flashing now is our ridge cap. So once you've peeled the plastic, you've put both pieces of ridge capping up on the garage, just overlap them down near the middle, making sure that they're running from point to point. Just squash that ridge cap out. Using your Neo hex head screws, just lock in the end there, and then we're doing every second roof rib just to lock that ridge capping in place. What you will need to do is once you get to a point where you can't reach over with a ladder anymore, is just to lay flat on the roof, never walk on the roof, just spread your weight out by laying flat and just crawl your way along, put those screws in. All right, once you've screwed that ridge cap every 2 ribs all the way along, that's completed.